Organizing and outlining cause and effect essays. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving into the realm of academic writing, particularly focusing on cause and effect essays. In this video, we will explore three main ways to organize these types of essays: chronological, categorical, and order of importance. Let's delve in and unravel the nuances of each one. When we say chronological, we are talking about time order. In the context of a cause and effect essay, this means you are presenting events in the order they occurred. This approach works best when you're trying to show how one event led to another over time. For instance, if you are writing about the causes and effects of a historical event, you might start with the earliest causes and move forward in time to the event itself, then onto its subsequent effects. Example: the drought, cause; poor harvest, effect, which becomes the cause for the next effect; famine, effect. With the categorical organization, you're grouping your causes and effects into categories or themes rather than time order. This is especially useful when there are multiple causes leading to one effect, or one cause leading to multiple effects. Example: topic: effects of pollution on health. Category 1: respiratory problems. Category 2: cardiovascular issues. Category 3: mental health issues. As the name suggests, in this structure, you're arranging your causes and effects based on their significance. This could be either from the most important to the least or vice versa, depending on what you think will be more impactful for your reader. For instance, if you're writing about the effects of a new policy, you might start with the most significant impact it has had on the community and then go down to lesser impacts. Example: topic: effects of deforestation. Most important: loss of habitat leading to extinction of species. Moderately important: impact on local climate and weather patterns. Least important: reduced availability of wood products. Organizing and outlining your cause and effect essay can make a world of difference in presenting your argument clearly and effectively. Whether you choose to go with a chronological, categorical, or order of importance organization, remember to remain consistent throughout your essay. We hope this video sheds light on how to structure your essays for maximum impact. Happy writing!